everybody, and welcome. I am Patty Reshberger, the Innovation Fund Manager at FuzeHub.
And I'm Eric Fesser, the Solutions Program Manager at FuzeHub.
I'm excited to be here to celebrate the newest awardees of the Jeff Lawrence Innovation Fund, a program that helps New York State manufacturing and technology community turn promising ideas into real-world impact. The 2025 Microelectronics Innovation Challenge is supporting projects that strengthen the technologies behind the tiny components that run the world today. Microelectronics are everywhere, from our cell phones to appliances in our homes. They run medical devices, manage the energy in our power grid, and keep vehicles operating safely. And as these systems become more advanced, microelectronics enables everything from artificial intelligence and high-performing computing to microelectronics communications networks, defense systems, and advanced manufacturing technologies. After a competitive review process, 3 projects that were outstanding were selected and will each receive $60,000 to advance new technologies that improve how microelectronics are designed, tested, and manufactured. Today, we're excited to highlight these teams and the work they're doing to drive progress through creativity and collaboration. To begin, I'll turn things over to my colleague Eric, who will introduce our first awardee.
Thanks, Patty. So our first awardees are AMT, the Southern Tier New York NEP Center, and Pelco Components Technology in Central New York. This partnership will help to integrate advanced in-circuit testing technologies to automate the testing and verification of circuit boards by Pelco. The project is expected to increase throughput by more than 20 times while improving the accuracy of detecting defects in electronic components and improving their overall performance. This will enhance Pelco's ability to deliver reliable electronic assemblies and translates to a more resilient supply chain serving the defense and industrial markets.
Our next award goes to a collaboration between Syracuse University and Mosaic Microsystems. Glass substrates are an emerging idea in the field. Glass offers several advantages over the traditional silicon. It can lower the cost of leading-edge systems while enabling new ways for chip components to communicate across a device. Instead of relying only on tiny wired connections, this team is developing ways for small modular chip components, known as chiplets, to share data wirelessly across the device. That could allow chips to communicate more flexibly and reliably. And this technology can be applied in AI, high-performance computing, and next-generation communication systems.
Good. And finally, congratulations also go out to our third awardee, the Research Foundation for the State of New York at SUNY Polytech in Utica, and Zalient Inc., who will be validating a new inspection technology. This project is focused on developing a non-contact, non-destructive inspection system that uses terahertz radiation, a safe form of electromagnetic energy between microwaves and infrared light, to examine semiconductor materials without the risk of causing damage to them. This will translate to a reduction in waste and improved component reliability and performance, and should be especially impactful for components with fragile films and post-CMP surfaces where probe damage is especially costly.
Congratulations to all of the awarded teams. The Microelectronics Innovation Challenge highlights exactly what the Jeff Lawrence Innovation Fund program was created to support. Bold ideas, strong collaborations, and technologies that strengthen the advanced manufacturing right here in New York State. From new ways to inspecting semiconductor materials, to smarter testing for electronic components, to rethinking how computer chips communicate internally, these projects show how innovation happens in every stage of the technology community. We're proud to support these teams to move their ideas forward, and we're excited to see what they'll bring on next. And my thought is that microelectronics are like a genie. Phenomenal cosmic power in an itty-bitty package. Thanks for joining us, and congratulations again to all of our awardees. Eric, what happens when you rub a semiconductor wafer?
What happens?
A tiny process engineer shows up and gives you 3 scoldings. Okay. Flop.